Ah! It's here! It's here! I'm so excited! Hey Wizarding World, I'm really excited today to share with you the new line from Vera Bradley. So my friends at Vera Bradley have sent me a preview of the new Vera Bradley Wizarding World line, and I'm so excited to share this with you today. And it is a surprise for me because I haven't seen these yet, but I'm super excited. So let's open it up right now and see. Woo! This is so cool! Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the very first thing as I'm opening this that I have seen is there's a little Hogwarts letter as a keychain on this bag, and it opens and it's lined with this beautiful blue. Oh my goodness, it's a blue pattern with the Hogwarts crest, the lightning bolt, Harry's glasses, flying keys, the sorting hat. Oh, that's so cute. So you put a little identifier in with your bag, and it's got like a really sturdy clip to it. Oh, it even says Vera Bradley on the clip. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. And as you know, I am all about Gryffindor. Look how pretty this is. First of all, it's got a side pocket here, and it has another side pocket here. And then all of the zippers have Vera Bradley and Harry Potter on them. That is super cute. Oh, okay, so there's an extra shoulder strap on the inside. And once again, the pattern is gorgeous on the inside. You have another outer pocket with a zipper pocket as well. So there's 3 sections of mesh pocketing on the inside, which is really exciting for people who like to stay organized while they travel. I love it, oh my goodness. Thank you so much. There's one more item in here. I have been gifted oh wow, that's really cute. Okay, so this is a new Hogwarts umbrella, and the Hogwarts crest has a pink pattern behind it. I see a remember all for all you Neville fans like me. Oh, there's Chocolate Frog! Oh, that's so cute. This thing's full of surprises. And the main color on this is blue, which is my favorite color, so I absolutely love this. So this new Wizarding World collection from Vera Bradley is actually available right now. So you can go and get your very own house-themed luggage and bags and makeup bags and these beautiful umbrellas and so much more. So go check them out. I will have a link below in the description. And thank you so much, Vera Bradley, for having me preview these items.
First of all, super glad I got that on video.
No! I'm just gonna hold it like Hagrid.